Welcome to Chef's Corner. I'm here with Liam.
Hi John, thanks for having me. Here I've made you a really beautiful protein-rich roasted sweet potato, red pepper and coconut soup. Look at
Brilliant.
that bad boy. John, before you try it, do me a favour. Put a little bit of red pepper into it for me.
Perfect, let me know
Just
if I'm
to
cutting
take,
correct.
you cut that, mind those digits please.
Perfect.
We don't want to be rushing
This
you
is
the
a-
first stage.
This is a hard salve. I'm not a massive soup fan, but
Well,
I know,
try it,
I
and
know
then-
it's really high in protein and plant-based.
Try it first, and then I'm going to pop that little red pepper that you've gladly sliced in on that.
Very much.
Give it a little shot.
Yeah, I really like the way the vegetables are still crunchy and they're like you've got something to chew.
Yeah, you have. And the peppers up the vitamin content as well as the protein content. Reality is you're on a winner. And this soup can get made a couple of days in advance, and afterwards it also gets reused for something else, which we'll come to.
Chef's Corner, enjoy your soup.
Get
Soup.
soup.